Anabolic steroids are artificial versions of a hormone that's in all of us, testosterone. Some people take anabolic steroid pills or injections to try to build muscle faster. The brain has a response to anabolic steroids. This young lady's name, climbing up the statue, is Sarah Bellum, and welcome to Sarah's Magazine series, which explores the brain's responses to drugs. In this particular topic, we'll investigate the fascinating facts about anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids are artificial versions of a hormone that's in all of us, that is, testosterone, just like we already heard. That's right, testosterone is in girls as well as guys. Testosterone not only brings out male sexual traits, it also causes muscles to grow. Some people take anabolic steroid pills or injections to try to build muscle faster. Anabolic means growing or building. But these steroids also have other effects. They can cause changes in the brain and body that increase risks for illness, and they may affect moods. Now, do anabolic steroids really make the body stronger? You may have heard that some athletes use anabolic steroids to gain size and strength. Maybe you've even seen an anabolic steroid user develop bigger muscles over time. But while anabolic steroids can make some people look stronger on the outside, they may create weaknesses on the inside. For example, anabolic steroids are bad for the heart. They can increase fat deposits in blood vessels, which can cause heart attacks and strokes. They may also damage the liver. Steroids can halt bone growth, which means that a teenage steroid user may not ever grow to his or her full adult height. As we stated, anabolic steroids affect the brain, and scientists are still learning about how anabolic steroids do affect the brain and, in turn, behavior. Research has shown that anabolic steroids may trigger aggressive behavior in some people, and this means that someone who abuses anabolic steroids may act mean to people they're normally nice to, like friends and family. They may even start fights. Some outbursts can be so severe they have become known in the media, it's in the newspaper, in the magazines, and television, as roid rages. And when a steroid abuser stops using the drugs, they can become depressed and even suicidal. Researchers think that some of the changes in behavior may be caused by hormonal changes that are caused by steroids, but there's still a lot that is not known. Anabolic steroids can confuse the brain and the body. Your body's testosterone production is controlled by a group of nerve cells at the base of the brain called the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus also does a lot of other things. It helps control appetite, blood pressure, moods, and reproductive ability. Anabolic steroids can change the messages that the hypothalamus sends to the body. This can disrupt normal hormone function. And guys, anabolic steroids can interfere with the normal production of testosterone. They can also act directly on the testes and cause them to shrink. This can result in a lower sperm count. They can also cause an irreversible loss of scalp hair. In girls, anabolic steroids can cause a loss of the monthly period by acting on both the hypothalamus and reproductive organs. They can also cause lack of scalp hair, growth of body and facial hair, and deepening of the voice. These changes can also turn out to be irreversible. Doctors never prescribe anabolic steroids for building muscle in young, healthy people. Try push-ups instead. Exercise. But doctors sometimes prescribe anabolic steroids to treat some types of anemia or disorders in men that prevent the normal production of testosterone. You may have heard that doctors sometimes prescribe steroids to reduce swelling. This is true, but these aren't anabolic steroids, they're corticosteroids. Since corticosteroids don't build muscles the way that anabolic steroids do, people don't abuse them. In any case, don't share your drugs, don't share anyone else's drugs. If anyone has been provided a prescription by a doctor for steroids, that means they need it to get better, not build muscle mass and not get stronger if you're a young and healthy person. Be healthy and have a great day.